So, in this type of question, we're doing what's called algebraic fractions, okay? Now, if I was to say what's 4 divided by 4, we use the term cancelling, but cancelling doesn't mean it turns to 0, simply means it turns to the number 1. Do you got it? So, in the question to your left, you have 15, 3 A's, 1 B. On the bottom, you have 5, 2 A's, 1 B. Now, what we're arguing, Thomas, is that we're arguing that 2 B's turn into what? When the one's on the top, one's on the bottom. Yeah, it turns into 1. A by A, 1. Other A by A, 1. 15A divided by 5, 3A. 15 divided by 5, 3. Your A survives on top. You're done. Next question, 2xy by 2xy. Well, it's the same number top and bottom, isn't it? So what's the answer?
1.
Not 0, 1. Okay? Let's move on here. Next type of questions they're doing is we have to ask ourselves, there's always two different parts. There's a yellow question and then there's your blue question. I'm going to start off with the yellow part. Is the yellow part fully factorized? What do I mean by fully factorized? Is there any number I can take out of it?
Yeah.
What can I take out? 2 into 4x plus 5. And look at the bottom. 4x plus 5. The two of them are exactly there. So they disappear and become 2. Yeah. Only when it's multiplication. Sorry guys, I had to clear this up with you, okay? So if I did this, 5 over 6. Is everybody looking at 5 over 6? Actually, scratch that. 8 over 6. This is the way I teach this, okay guys? Looking? 8 over 6, okay? Imagine I turned 8 into 6 plus 2. Imagine I turned 8 into 6 plus 2. I kept it over 6. Have I changed anything? 6 plus 2, still 8. Some people try to do this. Why are you not allowed to do that? It's not multiplication. It's 6 plus 2. It's not multiplication. However, if I tried this a different way, where I took out 2, so would everybody be happy with that being 2 times 4?
Yeah.
And would everybody be happy with this being 2 times 3?
Yeah.
Because both 2's are multiplication, you're allowed to cancel them. That makes sense? Not allowed to cancel them when they're pluses, but you're allowed to cancel them when they're multiplication. Alright. Yes, sir. Stretching. Okay. Alright. Have a look at this one, guys. Ready? What can I do? There's 2 different parts. There's the top part and there's the bottom part. Is there anything I can do with the top part? X squared plus 1x minus 2. I can factorize that, can't I?
Yeah.
And when you factorize it, because I know all you guys can factorize at this stage, the answer will be x plus 2, x minus 1. And what am I dividing that by?
X plus 2.
And what's the same?
X plus 2.
So what's the answer?
X minus 1.
Happy enough so far?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So far you're keeping track of me. I've done 7, 13 and 2, 5, 7, 13. Thank you. Okay. Let's make this slightly more difficult. Okay. We have question 17 and question 20. Okay. Now, in question 17, do you think the top is fully factorized? Is x plus 2 fully factorized? Is there anything I can take out? Is there a letter they have in common?
No.
No, I mean x and 2. I don't see any letter they have in common. I don't see any number they have in common. As far as I'm concerned, I'm satisfied with that. Can anybody tell me about x squared minus 4? What can I do with that? Difference of 2 squares. So it's x plus 2 and
X minus 2.
perfect. What can I do next, lads? And what's the answer? On the bottom it is. What did I say happens when you cancel one with the other? 1. Shh. You get 1 over x minus 2. Is that okay with you guys? Alright, brilliant. Now, next step again is going to be factorising question 20, okay? Look at question 20. Looks pretty decent. Everybody's able to factorise the top, aren't you?
Yeah.
Do these in your sleep now, I'd say. So the answer is x minus 5, x plus 3. That's for the top part only. That is for the yellow part. The blue part, however, will take a bit more effort. So I'm going to do the blue part out long. How do I get the answer for the blue part? Can anybody tell me? Yes, Heyman?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Two numbers that multiply to make minus 10 but add to give you minus 9.
Minus 5,
Minus 10 and plus 1. Okay. What happens next, guys? What can I take out?
2.
Into?
X minus 10.
X minus 5. What can I take out of the second bracket?
1 plus 1.
Plus 1. What's my answer?
2x plus 1.
Yeah.
5x minus 5.
That's only the blue part, isn't it? That's only the blue part on the bottom.
Yeah.
So I got to get the yellow part, and then I have to divide it by the blue part. Do the yellow part and blue part have anything that's exactly the same?
Yeah.
X minus
What do they have?
X minus 5.
Exactly. Gone, gone. Your answer is x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Am I allowed to cancel the x's?
No.
Why not? They're not being multiplied by everything, so therefore you can't do it. Okay, I'll stop you there. That was only